I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
My husband had to park right here where it comes from. It's a really cool mural. I like this. This is a record store. They buy, sell, and trade. This right here looks like it's a little shop. I guess it's got like little cool things. And then when the sun hits, this goes on the floor and you can pretty much see like what it says. Looks like there's like little stores. That is super cute. Okay, but really, you guys, $86. They want $86. They want $38 for that. They want that bag for $42. It's a cute store, but it's a little expensive. We're gonna go in is Ferguson's. Used to be a hotel back in the 1960s, but now it's like little shops, so let me take you there. That's right. Yeah, you guys, this place used to actually look like this, but now it looks like this. And it's so beautiful. It's got restaurants, it's got trees, flowers, it's got a cafe. You can actually bring your dogs here, as long as obviously they're on the leash, it says. Kind of quiet. Obviously it's really hot, but sometimes they have musical guests, they do yogas, they do things for kids. But it's such a pretty cool place to come visit, and obviously take some great photos, I should say, because some of the areas are really nice. Like, take a look at this. So cool. But you guys, over there, like over this roof, there's like a whole tiny home living over there. So it's pretty cool. Obviously we can't see it, but literally over there, there's a whole tiny home living. But look at this. How cool is that, you guys? You can go in here and just take so many cool photos. But yeah, this is the whole place, you guys. It's really nice. It's kind of quiet, but I think everybody's just like on Fremont right now. So you can actually see the Cortez from here, and then this is the Fremont 9. Now it's the Elizine or Ellie on Fremont. Guys, this is a vending machine, but it's got like all these like socks. It's got a mystery art box. It's pretty cool. So I'm at the end of the whole Ferguson's. As you can see, that is the front. This is the end. But it's super cool, you guys. Like I said, it's kind of quiet, but I don't know. It's really nice to come here and just take some photos, you know? Gallery to go. Alright guys, we made it closer. So this is what you find.
It's like a little art vending machine.
That mystery box is cool. There you go. Little earrings. That's cute. So this is the actual gate to the tiny home living. Obviously we can't see it because it's gated, but hey, that's where it's at. Oh. You guys, this is a hit. I guess this is a salon. That's cool.
Everything closes at nighttime, so when the restaurants open.
That's a convenience store right there, you guys. It's 24 hours. This motel is no longer working. Obviously, they bought up everything. Right now, we're on 11th and Fremont. And actually, you guys, over there is the Share downtown.
That area.
That's literally it. Vegas fireworks. This is where they shot one of the scenes from Casino with Robert De Niro. I'll put a picture in there to show you how it looked. So this is how it looks right now, but back then it looked like that.